You have exactly 2 minutes to evacuate your home. If your survival kit is filled with cheap, unnecessary junk, you will not make it. When speed is the only thing keeping you alive, you cannot afford dead weight. You only need the absolute core pillars of survival. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Here are the top 5 survival kit essentials in under 2 minutes. Let's go. Number 1. A portable water filter. Do not just pack heavy water bottles. A high-quality filtration system like a Sawyer Mini or Life Straw allows you to safely process thousands of gallons of contaminated water on the move. Number 2. A core trauma kit. Standard Band-Aids won't save you in a true SHTF scenario. You need a dedicated trauma kit featuring a tourniquet, pressure dressings, and hemostatic gauze to stop severe bleeding instantly. Number 3. An emergency Mylar bivy. Forget bulky sleeping bags. A thermal bivy sack takes up the space of a soda can, reflects 90% of your body heat, and protects you from immediate hypothermia when sheltering outdoors. Number 4. A heavy-duty multi-tool. You need a high-quality multi-tool with a dedicated blade, pliers, and a can opener. It replaces a massive, heavy toolbox and handles everything from gear repair to food prep. Number 5. A ferrocerium rod. Lighters run out of fuel and matches get wet. A thick ferro rod strikes at 5,000 degrees and provides thousands of guaranteed fires in any weather condition on Earth. Trim the fat from your bug-out bag and focus on these top 5 survival kit essentials. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore survival tactics, and I'll see you next time.